is only 250 cc and its output power is 26.5 PS, you can say horsepower, little less, and its torque is near about 22.5. If you see the RPM, it is 950 power and something like in that range torque. Its maximum speed goes near about 137 to 140 maximum, and its pickup is superb. There are a lot of reviews you can see. The pickup is really very superb, and as I am a daredevil, the most adventurous man available on the planet Earth, I always drive to the highways and expressways. This bike only stops at 137 to 140 kpm, kilometer per hour, but my dream is to go for the higher siblings. 800D has been launched, 1050D has been launched, because these bikes have more power. You know, 800D has got near about 84 PS of power and torque is near about 78 Newton meter. But I will talk about this bike first. Beloved friends, it's so pleasant and so joyful to ride on the highways or expressways. It's fluent, it flows. It flows like, that's why the name is Strom. Strom means current in German. It is flowing like a current, a stream of water. A stream of water. So beautiful it is, so nice it is. It's really marvelous. It is a marvels. I'm really a fan of Suzuki. In India, this is the most affordable bike and the most competent and capable bike. It can give you real joy of adventure riding. Of course, it is soft off-roader because it has a lot of limitations. The suspension front and rear have only play of something like 120 mm, but the higher siblings have some larger. Of course, the ground clearance is very good here, 205 mm, and the seat height is also 805, and you can see the seat is okay for a person who is 5 feet 7-8 inch, but the handle is also a little lower, so you cannot stand on the bike and ride it. But friends, I tell you, if you are really adventure boy or girl or man, and if you want a very affordable bike, nothing can beat the Suzuki V-Strom. It has a lot of competitors. The Himalaya of Royal Enfield, KTM 950, but these bikes are having different mode. This is soft off-roader, but very good tourer bike. But Himalaya, you know, this is more of a off-roader. KTM 950 is really very good but very expensive. It's another competitor comes, 310 BMW. That comes near about just double the price, you know, near about 4 lakh Indian rupees. This comes near about 260, but lot of discount from Suzuki. Suzuki also gives you gears, jackets, so it is really very encouraging. Introductory gears. In other countries it is giving some different things like top box for the rear. It is really very marvelous and very enjoyable bike. I love it, I like it. Many people try to compete with me on the expressways or highways. Rarely they can touch me because it can cruise very fastly to 137 to 140, and these people cannot really afford such a high speed. There is a speed limit for them. This bike cannot be detected once you are, but my dream is to get BMW 1250 GS and Suzuki V-Strom 850D and 1050D. If I have finance, my friends, I can definitely buy all these super bikes. Don't worry for other things. Be very careful, properly geared, and you must be intelligent enough to really read this scenario on the roads. I have never applied brake when I am cruising at a speed of 140, 137 because I know the road is open. And even in emergency, one day when I was riding, you see, this is the helmet I bought just today. This is steel bud air, and you can read the specification. It is this one. Air, steel bud air. I have got the higher siblings that is larger and it has a beak, like this has a beak. But see, one day once we were driving at 140, trying to defeat all the friends who are riding on the Warangal highway, this flew off because of beak. The helmet was little larger size. Now this is medium size, it suits me. See, at that high speed, when the helmet has flown and your eyes are blocked, you can't see anything. And at this highest speed, 150 kilometers per hour, you can't leave the handlebar and try to adjust your helmet. So I thought I should buy this. But even in that high speed, I applied my both brakes slowly. You see here, 2 fingers. I have got extensive training how to be an adventure rider. 1 finger or 2 fingers. Slowly and steadily this bike has stopped. I was not seeing, I was blind. I was cruising 150, but it has stopped very comfortably. Then I went to the side of the road and tried to adjust my helmet belt. So bottom line, this Suzuki V-Strom is really one of the greatest achievements of my life, dream come true, because I'm Pandit Fakir Yogi Brenda Yogi. Fakir means a poverty-stricken man. This dream has been shattered because my daughter could not become the world best tennis champion. As I have told you, my dream was to buy Porsche Cayenne, Land Rover, Range Rover, Land Cruiser, BMW S6, maybe Lamborghini or Aston Martin, because the other tennis players like Djokovic, Federer, Nadal, Serena, Venus, Steffi Graf and all these Aranza, they have the jets and the planes. So it was not very difficult to buy such beautiful machines. But my whole life I will be driving only two-wheelers, and definitely I will afford it. Before I die, I will definitely buy 800D and 1050D, and I will introduce one my friend. Anna, namaste. Bagunara. Gorre mansi. Bakri wala. Namaste, namaste. Kukka wala, pedda kukka. Rottweiler. Chala manchi kukka undi. Koncham ఆశీర్వాదం పెట్టు. Naki ఆశీర్వాదం పెట్టు. Thank you, Anna. Thank you very much. Thank you, Baba. Namaste. See, I am a man who loves everyone. That's why I am Pandit. Thank you, viewers. This is a very genuine, honest review. The helmet is also very good. SBA27 steel bird, quite good, ventilated, and I love riding. I fill the tank, I drive and drive and drive, because this is my life. Thank you, viewers.